In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and make a copy of a flow in Power Automate. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process so you can easily duplicate your existing flows and streamline your work in Power Automate. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to want to open up the Power Automate desktop console. If you haven't already, launch the Power Automate desktop application on your computer. This is the hub where you'll manage your flows, so it's the essential starting point for our task today. Once you're in, direct your attention to the My Flows tab. This is where you'll find all the desktop flows you've previously created. Take a moment to navigate through and locate the specific flow you want to duplicate. It's important to make sure you've got the right one because this is the starting template for your new flow. With your chosen flow in sight, you'll need to duplicate it. This is done by right-clicking on the flow you've selected. Once you've done that, a context menu will appear with several options. Here, you want to choose the option labeled Save As. Selecting Save As will bring up a dialog box. This box prompts you to enter a new name for the flow you're about to create. Think of a name that clearly differentiates it from the original, but still makes it easy for you to identify. Once you've decided on a name, simply type it in. Now that you've entered your desired name, click on the Save button. This action initiates the duplication process, creating a brand new instance of your original flow, now titled with the name you've just provided. After hitting Save, your freshly copied flow should appear right under the My Flows tab in the console. Take a quick moment to check that the flow is there and everything matches your expectations. This process is beneficial if you're looking to streamline your workflow by reusing elements you've already set up. It saves time and helps maintain consistency across your automation tasks. Remember to review and adjust any steps in the newly copied flow that might need changing, as they will initially be an exact replica of the original. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're able to effectively duplicate a flow in Power Automate, keeping your work organized and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for more guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.